All right, first graders, now you are going to get to write your own sentences. We have a picture of a farm. We're going to build one sentence together about this picture, and then you are going to get a chance to write two of your own sentences about the farm. There are lots of things happening. We see pigs rolling. We see a cat playing. We see a horse in the barn. We see lots of things happening. The thing I think I might write a sentence about with you is that there is a duck in the pond. So we are going to write a duck swims in the pond. Count the words with me. A duck swims in the pond. It's always good to talk it out and count those words so we know what we're writing. Get your pencils ready. We're going to start with a capital A. A, finger space between, duck. Segment with me. D, uck. Build it. D, and after a short vowel, we use CK for the K. A duck swims. Segment swims. W, I, build it. W, I, a duck swims in the T-H-E, the pond. Segment pond. P-O-N-D. Build it with me. On the line, going underground. P-O-N-D. At the end of our sentence, we always need a period. Good. Check our sentence. Let's get our song going. We've got our checklist here. Thumb out to check the capital letters. The thumb taps the capital. The thumb taps the capital. Hi ho, did you know the thumb taps the capital? There's only one capital letter at the beginning of this sentence, A. Check your sentence to make sure that's the only capital letter you have. Okay, I can check it off my list. Punctuation. Get your pinky ready. The pinky pats the period. The pinky pats the period. Hi ho, did you know the pinky pats the period? The period is at the end of the sentence. A duck swims in the pond, period. Okay, I've got mine checked to make sure you have yours. Now get your pointer finger ready to check our finger spaces. There's finger space between. There's finger space between. Hi ho, did you know there's finger space between? Make sure there's space between every one of your 6 words. You check it off. Now we're going to read our words to make sure it makes sense. A duck swims in the pond. Now it's your turn to write 2 more sentences on your own in your journals about this picture.